Welcome back to another episode of Learn to Speak French with me. Apprends parle français avec moi. So today we are going to learn how to say numbers in French. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept. When you say sept, it's number seven. And you see that the spelling is S-E-P-T, but you never spell P. So it's sept. And it's also not like T, it's like th, because in French, T is pronounced as T. So it's sept, huit. So again, H-U-I-T, it ends with T. So it's again, the same sort of sound, huit, neuf, dix. So you can see 6 and 10, they have sort of a similar pronunciation, C's, these. Hmm? Now we're going to revise some of the words and phrases we've already learned. So vegetable is legume in French. Patate, tomate. Je is I. Tu is you. Il or elle is he or she. Vous is you all. Nous is us. Il or elle is again plural form for they. And whenever it is a group of people, including men and women, it would be il. It's ILS. When it's only a group of women, then it's L, ELLES, and the last letter S is always silent. And that's the thing about French. Everything in French, there's only a difference when it comes to vous and nous. The verbs have a big difference when it comes to nous and vous, but otherwise most of them they sound the same, and the plural form also is different, but otherwise they all sound the same, and it makes it speaking the language quite easy, and we'll see that in the days to come. Appeler is to call. Je m'appelle Pierre. And we learned also bonjour, bonsoir, bon après-midi, bonne nuit, merci beaucoup, avec plaisir. Et le très important, the most important thing is s'il vous plaît, please. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. And let's continue revising. Comment parler français? How to speak French? I can speak French. Je peux parler français. Je voudrais un kilo de tomate. So here you can see I would like 1 kilogram of tomato, though the word one is un. So, and that's how we really need numbers, because when you go to a shop, you want to ask them how much this costs, and you have to know the numbers. So, to revise the numbers once again, un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Parler, beau, belle, près, moi. You might be wondering, why is it that I'm repeating a lot of things that I've already said in the last few videos? So it's basically to revise, and I'm going to do this for every 10 videos. So for the first 10 videos, I'm going to repeat, and then for the next 10, I'm going to repeat. And this is going to help you to listen to the language more and more, the pronunciation. And I also advise you to repeat after me. Répétez après moi. So when you repeat after me, you're going to try and get the sounds. You're going to try and mimic what I'm saying, and that's how you probably learn a language. And that's the main reason why I'm revising a lot of things that we've learned. And in that way, it's going to help you remember the words. You're going to try and practice them. And please feel free to do that when you're alone. When you're just sitting alone, try and repeat the sentences, the numbers, some of the words. And that way, you're going to really learn quite faster. And so that's it for this video. A bientôt. See you soon in my next video.